between mile markers 150 and 160. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm